If your GoDaddy email is not working, whether you are not receiving messages, getting bouncebacks when sending, or having trouble in your email app, this video will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. First, let's look at the most common reason for not receiving email. If messages are not reaching your inbox, the issue is often related to your email routing settings inside cPanel. To check this, go to your cPanel admin area and look for the email section. From there, click on Email Routing. This setting controls how mail is delivered for your domain. If it is set to Remote Mail Exchanger, that can cause delivery problems if your mail is supposed to be handled on the same server. In most cases, you want to switch it to Automatically Detect Configuration, which is the recommended option. This helps cPanel figure out the correct mail routing automatically and make sure incoming mail is actually delivered to the right place. After selecting Automatically Detect Configuration, save the change and give it a few moments to update. Then send yourself a test email from another address and check whether it arrives properly. If you are missing messages before, this simple change may fix the issue right away. This is one of the first things you should check anytime your GoDaddy email stops receiving mail. Next, let's fix the sending issue, especially if your emails are bouncing back with an error. If you are seeing a bounce back, one common clue is an error code like 5.2. That usually points to a delivery or authentication problem. In many cases, the real issue is missing or incorrect SPF and DKIM records in your DNS settings. These records help prove that your domain is allowed to send email, and without them, receiving servers may reject your messages. To check this, go to your GoDaddy account and open My Products, find your domain and click DNS next to it. This is where you manage the records for your domain. Look carefully for SPF and DKIM entries. If they are missing, incomplete or incorrect, that can be the reason your email is being rejected. Add or correct the records based on the email provider's instructions. Once the DNS records are in place, save everything and allow some time for DNS changes to fully propagate. Then test sending an email again. If the SPF and DKIM settings are correct, your chances of getting rejected emails will go way down. Now let's talk about another really useful test, checking whether the problem is with Webmail or with your email app. Open your email in Webmail first. If your messages send and receive properly in Webmail, that is a strong sign that the account itself is fine. In that case, the issue is probably with your app settings, such as Outlook, Apple Mail, or another mail client you are using. If Webmail works but your app does not, you will want to review your incoming and outgoing server settings, port numbers, username, password, and authentication options inside the app. A small typo or outdated setting can stop email from syncing correctly. So if your GoDaddy email is working in Webmail but not in your app, focus on the app configuration rather than the mailbox itself. To recap, if you are not receiving email, check email routing in cPanel and set it to Automatically Detect Configuration. If you are not sending email and getting bouncebacks, check your SPF and DKIM records in GoDaddy DNS. And if Webmail works but your app does not, the problem is likely your email client settings. These 3 checks cover the most common GoDaddy email errors and will solve a lot of issues quickly. If this video helped you fix your GoDaddy email error, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you do not miss more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.